Follow these steps and your issue should be fixed. Let's get started. First, make sure your game is completely closed. Whether you're playing through Steam or the Rockstar Games Launcher, the game must not be running. If the Rockstar Games Launcher is open, go to the bottom right of your taskbar. Click on the arrow to show hidden icons. Find Rockstar Games Launcher, right-click it, and click Exit. Now open the Start menu and type File Explorer. Open it. On the left side, click this PC. Open your Windows Drive C. Now follow this path step by step. Open Users. Open your user folder. Open Documents. Open Rockstar Games. Open Social Club. Now find the cache folder. Right-click it and select Delete. After deleting the cache folder, launch your game again. This works for GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 2, any Rockstar game. The authentication error should now be fixed.